Hi, I'm Stephanie Shalofsky of the Organizing Zone, and I have an organizing and productivity tip to share with you today. Today, I'm talking about beginning of the day and end of the day routines. These are really important because they help us stay focused and also keep those really important must-do tasks on our radar. So how do we do this? I would suggest starting by making a really short list of those tasks that you need to do at the beginning of the day and end of the day to set yourself up for success. For example, the morning list could include things like checking your calendar to see if you have any morning meetings, if you have open blocks of time to do the work, scanning your emails, looking for those messages that include tasks that need to be immediately put on your to-do list. If you use a project management software program, maybe scanning the status of the projects that are ongoing to see what flags you see and add those to your list. As far as the end of the day, first and foremost, clear your desk. Secondly, get your to-do list in order. That's the best time of day to do it. Everything's still top of mind, so take advantage of it. Write the tasks down, prioritize accordingly so you'll be good to go in the morning. And lastly, look at your calendar. See if you have any early morning meetings so that you'll be prepared and ready to get your day started. So these are just some examples. Customize the list to fit your situation, but practice these tasks consistently. Do it every day. These tasks should take no more than about 10 minutes at a shot. So just do it. I think the benefits will be well worth it. If you'd like some additional tips, please check out my blog at theorganizingzone.com/blog. Stay tuned for more tips next time. See you soon.